Hi, David. So here we are outside of we're in the narthex of my church. The entrance doors are there to the sanctuary. Our strange front doors are over here, and this is one of the kiosks operating right now. And I thought I would just let it run in the background for a few minutes. That happens to be the last slide of the series, and then I think it's going into an encore presentation. Oh no, that wasn't the last one. This is actually part of our Lenten series promo that's going on. Where each of the Sundays we're doing one of the 7 last words from Christ on the cross. And I just wanted to show it to you so that you'd understand that this is just a television, and on the back, I've got a remote here, I've got it silenced right now. It's just this, hopefully, I'll probably bring the camera around. It is this little computer right here. That's our $32 computer that operates the kiosk software, and you can see it's just got a power cord going to it, and it runs into our internet wirelessly. And I'll go put this back to the way it was. And right now I think I have 3 slide sets running on this. One is our Lenten series. The second one is, I think, an encore video that I downloaded so that people would be ready for Encore Sunday. And then the last one is effectively the bulletin of what's going to be worship service and activities for the week on March 17th. So it's running right now. In fact, I think there's just one more slide of this one. So I'm just going to let it run a little bit so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that it actually plays music, whatever happens to be in the video that we're using. This is a video I created. And then automatically it just switches to the next one. So this is, I think, a 60-second promo from Encore. So I'm going to let it run, but while we're doing that, I'll just show you the kind of positioning that we've got. So there's our sanctuary. So as people come in, this is available in the narthex. There's another screen that I'll show you that's in our fellowship hall that we have powered off right now because we're just setting it up. Somebody donated the screen to us to put on the wall. We've been using this one in this location now for over a month. With good results. People actually stand and pay attention to it before they go into the sanctuary. Some people watch it as they come out. The next thing that you're going to see here is a PowerPoint that was converted, and so you're seeing what's going on. You know, this is today, Sunday, March 17th. This is all ready to go. All of this information I set up from my desktop at home, and it automatically updates itself right here without anybody being around. And so, you know, it's giving us a little bit about the scripture lessons. It's going to go through basically our bulletin series. And you can turn off the television, and it's actually still running. So we can set the television to go to sleep or something, and then Sunday morning all we have to do is power it back up. Or the one in the fellowship hall, we're going to leave it running all the time. It doesn't draw very much power. But that way, when other groups use our sanctuary, they'll also see some of the information. This is our study group, by the way. So that's the concept. That's what we do with it. I'm going to go take the camera and bring it into the fellowship hall to show you where the monitor is mounted. Again, it's not powered up right now because I'm using the other computer to develop the course that I'm going to offer. Which I almost have completed now. So let's go in and we'll take a look at the fellowship hall. All right, so welcome to our fellowship hall. It's a big space. It's used by a bunch of different people, and it's pretty typical. We have some bulletin boards around. You know, they're fairly static. There's another one over there. And this is the 32-inch TV that was donated, and I'm adding another. We'll have a power cord running running down the wall that will put in a racetrack down to the outlet that's located just down there. But this will be then running and will show the exact same thing that's on the other monitor, although it could be showing something completely different. Again, I set that up from my laptop anywhere that I am. And the total cost, since this TV was donated, was $33 for the computer, $15 for the software. Requires an internet connection here, which we have in our church. So that's the story. And hopefully that was informative enough, and thanks for listening.